I'm Sarah. I'm a farmer from North Dakota. One of the things that we're talking about today are about the amounts of pesticides that are used, the amount of weed killer that we would use in an acre of cropland would actually be just about the size of that coffee cup there. Most of what we spray on our fields is actually water. And so a lot of people don't realize that this is all we use. Just that little bit is enough to take care of an acre worth of crops. And that would be equivalent to a football or soccer field. We farm 4,500 acres.
Wow.
4,500 of those, we're able to manage it to the square inch.
Wow.
And it's really amazing technology. We're even able to control the droplet size when we do apply crop protection products.
That's very interesting.
Our #1 priority is to raise healthy crops that are going to sustain our farm and are going to keep our land healthy for generations.
That makes me feel better.
Well, good.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Well, let's get you some coffee. How does that sound?
Sounds good.
Okay. Well, there's your not a latte. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much for stopping by.
Thank you.
And it does take a little bit of elbow grease, which you'd think I know what that is.
I know you're a farmer after all.